Good morning children. Welcome to class for social studies. We are seeing the lesson natural resources. Okay, so we saw what are the types of resources, man-made resources and the natural resources. In that, what is that we saw, and then two types of one more by utilization or by using. We can say that as exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. In the inexhaustible resources topic, we saw what are the things: sunlight, air, water, plants and soil. Okay, in previous videos we have seen that. So in today's class, one more this one we are going to see, that is the soil. Okay, so soil is required for the plants to grow, children. You are so well aware of that. Plants grow in the soil. So to grow well and give good yield, it should have a fertile soil. Okay, all the minerals, water, sunlight, air, everything is required for a plant to grow well. So this soil also plays an important role, children. So for the plants to grow well, a fertile soil is needed. Okay, see, these resources we are using continuously, we are using. So have we thought of saving it for the future? We are using it like anything. Okay, so we are not aware or we are not being taught to conserve these resources. So main thing is the careful utilization. Okay, careful utilization means using these naturally available resources in a proper way, in an effective way, which is required for us. That much only we should use. If we use everything and keep, then for the next generation, what they will get? So we need the conservation of resources. That is careful utilization of resources. Then we have to think that these resources should be used by the future generation. So we have to keep it in mind, children, when we use any resource, that we have to save it for our future also. Like that we have to think. So some of the points are given to conserve our natural resources. What they are, we will see. So first one, do not waste water. Okay, so you know we should not waste water. So unnecessarily we should not open the tap and keep. What is required, that much only we should store. Okay, and any leaking of taps is there, means you should immediately get it ready. Like that we have to save the water, children. Okay, then we should not pollute water bodies by throwing garbage into them. So this is also one of the biggest water pollution that's happening, children. We can see it in Bangalore itself, and all over the world it is happening. So we think that this garbage we will put it in the lake, that's all, our burden is over, like that we are thinking. But it is not like that. There also in the lakes, ponds, rivers, oceans, living things are there. Fishes to big animals, plants, like that are also present in the water bodies. They go and contaminate the water bodies, and how that living things will be survive over there. So it is a big thing. We should not throw garbage into the water bodies. And one more thing is factories, their waste products, or the chemicals, that also go and join with the river or a lake. So that time the water bodies gets polluted. So how we can use it for drinking, irrigation purpose, how the plants will grow properly, that and all we have to think about, children. Okay. The next one, saving electricity. That is, switch off the fans and light when not in use. In this way you can save the electricity. The energy can be saved. Then plant more trees, children. So now it has become a camp that we should plant more trees. At least in your lifetime, you think about planting nearly 1 lakh trees. Like that, you keep it as a target and do, children. Okay. This is nowadays more naturalist. Okay, conservationist. They are telling that we should plant more trees because our earth is getting warmer. Okay, so the temperature is increasing. If the temperature increased by 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree itself, the ice from the Arctic or the Antarctic will start melting and the water level will rise, children. So the water, where it will go? It comes to the land only. So our land will get submerged in the water. Okay, so land mass will get reduced. That is why they are telling plant more trees so the earth's temperature can be reduced. Okay, next one, we should not harm other animals. See, as we are human beings, we also want to live in this world. The same way, the animals also have to live in this world. Everybody is dependent on each other. Okay, so we should not harm animals, children. So by this lesson is over. So take your textbook and read, children. Okay, this conservation, it is not only about reading from the textbook. You should try to follow in your life also, children. That is the main point why we are learning this lesson. These resources are very, very important and we have to save it for the future generation, children. Thank you.